everyone. If this is your first time here, I'm Mina and I'm really happy to have you here. Today we'll learn 10 phrasal verbs. I'll explain each one and give you examples to help you use them better. Are you ready to start? Our first phrasal verb is run into. Run into. Run into. It means to encounter a problem or an issue. If you've ever been working and your computer suddenly freezes, that's running into a problem. For example, I ran into a problem while trying to install the software. Next phrasal verb is sort out. Sort out. Sort out. It means to fix or organize something. You can use it when you're trying to fix an issue or put things in order. For example, I need to sort out these files to make more space on my hard drive. In this example, it means to organize the files. Next phrasal verb is set up. Set up. Set up. It is often used with new devices or softwares. Setting up includes adjusting settings, entering passwords, or connecting to Wi-Fi. After setting up a device, it's ready to use. For example, I set up my new printer so I could print from my laptop. Take notes. Coming up next is breakdown. 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 It means that something stops working completely, usually because of a technical issue. If you hear your coworker shouting, "Oh my God, my computer broke down," it means it needs repairs. For example, my laptop broke down during my presentation. Oh my God, the unluckiest thing that can happen in the world. Next phrasal verb is go down. Go down. Go down. It's often used to talk about websites, servers, or internet connections. It means something stops working for a short time. For example, the website went down for maintenance and should be back soon. Next phrasal verb waiting in line is figure out. Figure out. Figure out. It means to understand or fix a problem, often by thinking carefully. It's used a lot when troubleshooting or learning new technology. For example, I had to figure out how to fix the printer on my own. It means I wanted to solve the problem of the printer on my own, by myself. Okay? Are you ready for the next phrasal verb? It's fill up. Fill up. Fill up. It means to reach the maximum capacity, often used with storage or memory. So if your storage is almost full, you can say it's filling up. For example, my phone storage is filling up, so I need to delete some apps. Make sure to back up your files before deleting them. Do you know backup? No? Haven't you watched this video? Wait, let's keep watching this video till the end, then you can move on to the other ones. Next phrasal verb is keep up with. Keep up with. Keep up with. It means to stay updated or to maintain the same level or speed as something. What do you try to keep up with? Technology trends? Software updates? For example, it's hard to keep up with all the new features they added to the app. We're slowly coming to the end. It's phrasal verb number 9. Shut off. Shut off. Shut off. Shut off. It means to turn off a device, often automatically or by a specific command. Sometimes devices shut off on their own to save power. This time, I leave the example to you. Think of an example with the verb shut off and comment it below. Take a moment, pause the video, think of the example right now. Great. And the last phrasal verb for today is wipe out. Wipe out. Wipe out. It means to delete everything from a device, usually to clear space or for security reasons. Be careful when wiping out a device because all the data is erased. And that's all. Let's recap today's phrasal verbs very quickly. Run into, sort out, set up, break down, go down, figure out, fill up, keep up with, shut off, and wipe out. They are super useful phrasal verbs. Now it's time to put them into a test. I'll give you a situation. You try to choose the correct phrasal verb. Are you ready? Your laptop stops working completely. What phrasal verb would you use? Yes, break down. You need to delete everything on your old device. What should you do? Exactly, wipe out. You face a problem while trying to connect to Wi-Fi. What phrasal verb describes it? Yes, run into. If your computer storage is almost full, what phrasal verb describes this situation? Exactly, fill up. Your internet connection suddenly stops working for a while. What phrasal verb would you use? Did you say go down? Great job! Now you can use these phrasal verbs confidently and correctly. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get a notification for new uploads. I'll be back very soon with more English lessons. See you in the next video!